morning.
Morning, welcome to Corals of Mikindani.
Welcome to Corals of Mikindani. My name is Lawrence, I'm French.
I'm Martha. We are part of Eco2 Diving and we're here in Mikindani, Mtwara, South Tanzania.
About to start a very good day of coral restoration. Volunteers coming to support Corals of Mikindani are quite living the authentic life of Tanzania and really experiencing real authentic Tanzania. Are really offering, shall I say, an exclusive experience here. We are really in contact with the local communities and they are really accessible to us.
During our dives, we are really lucky because although we're focusing on working on the coral reefs and restoring the reefs, we have lots of great marine life to see whilst we're doing it.
Mi nombre es Andrés, vengo de España, de la zona de Alicante y bueno, me he unido al proyecto de Corals of Mikindani como voluntario para ayudar al medio ambiente, hacer una actividad con la que podamos mejorar esto un poco y conocer África y conocer Tanzania, que no había estado nunca. La experiencia es increíble, la naturaleza es tremenda, bucear en arrecife de coral es impresionante.
My name is Isabella, I'm from Spain and I love scuba diving. I enrolled this course because I wanted to know more about corals. And by the way, here you can dive with lots of coral, plenty of diversity really. It makes me crazy and the same for you. And when you understand what you are doing, you can make the most of it. So don't hesitate and join the Eco2 Diving here with Martha and Laurent. They are so nice and they make everything very easy.
Hello, my name is Ramon. I am in Tanzania, in Corals of Mikindani. La experiencia es magnífica, estoy con mi pareja aprovechando nuestras vacaciones en España y la verdad es que nos planteamos volver, el trato ha sido increíble, no lo dudes, no te lo pienses y disfruta como lo estamos haciendo aquí en Mikindani, al sur de Tanzania, todo seguro, todo fácil, es increíble lo que estamos viviendo.